Tired of losing your favorite websites in DuckduckGo? Learn how to bookmark any page in seconds and never search again. I will show you exactly where to click, how to name your bookmark, and a keyboard shortcut to do it faster. So let us start with the website you want to save. Think about that page you keep coming back to, the one you have to type the address in for every single time. Maybe it is a news site, a forum, or a tool you use for work. We are going to fix that right now. Navigate to that page in the address bar and let it load completely. For example, let us bookmark YouTube. I am going to type in youtube.com and hit enter. This is a perfect example because it is a site most of us visit all the time, and it is frustrating to have to remember the URL or dig through your history. Once the page is loaded, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your browser window. That small icon is called the menu button, and it is your gateway to almost every setting inside DuckduckGo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will slide down with a list of options. From that menu, click on Bookmarks. You will see a small sub-menu appear. It might look like a little pop-out window, and it shows any bookmarks you have already saved. Do not worry if that list is empty right now. That is about to change. Now, click on Bookmark this page. Or, and here is the really important part, you can use the keyboard shortcut. Press the Control key and the D key at the same time. I use this shortcut constantly. It is much faster than navigating through menus. Once you get used to that Control-D combination, you will be bookmarking pages without even thinking about it. In my experience, this is the single best trick for saving time with bookmarks. A small dialog box will pop up. This is where you enter your bookmark name. By default, it usually autofills the page title, but you should type a name you will actually remember. For YouTube, it is probably fine as is, but if you are saving a specific article or a product page, change the name to something that makes sense to you. A short, clear name is always better than a long, confusing one. Finally, click Done, and that is it. Your bookmark is now saved. You can test it by opening a new tab and clicking that same Bookmarks button. You will see your new entry right there in the list, ready for you to click on. Now, instead of losing track of useful websites or relying on your memory, you can instantly save and access them with a simple click. It is a small change, but it makes a huge difference in how smooth your browsing feels. Go ahead and try it with your most visited page right now. You will be glad you did.